How have the deadliest wars of the 21st century evolved recently? The dynamics of conflict have shifted drastically, reshaping global power and civilian lives in unexpected ways. The deadliest wars in the 21st century have moved from traditional battlefields to urban environments and cyberspace. Cities have become primary battlegrounds, increasing civilian casualties and infrastructure damage. Meanwhile, cyber warfare targets critical systems, disrupting governments and economies without conventional combat. This evolution complicates conflict resolution and humanitarian aid efforts. Recent deadly wars often involve proxy conflicts where major powers back local groups or governments instead of engaging directly. This approach prolongs wars and intensifies violence while reducing international accountability. Examples include conflicts in the Middle East and parts of Africa where external funding and arms escalate brutal fighting. The human cost of 21st century wars has dramatically increased. Millions have been displaced, creating unprecedented refugee crises. Food insecurity, disease, and psychological trauma have escalated in war zones. Modern warfare's complexity means civilians often suffer the most, and humanitarian aid struggles to keep pace with needs. Technological advances such as drones, artificial intelligence, and enhanced surveillance have transformed warfare. Drones allow remote strikes with precision but raise ethical concerns. AI supports decision-making and intelligence gathering, while surveillance technologies monitor populations and battlefields. These tools increase conflict efficiency but also create new threats and dilemmas. The deadliest wars of the 21st century have evolved into complex, multifaceted conflicts that affect millions beyond the battlefield. Understanding these changes helps you see the true cost and urgency of peace efforts today. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.